Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace for us all. May we always be protected by Allah. Always given useful hidden knowledge. My name is Ida Fitria from class A in English. I would like to present the translate of the International Journal abstract entitled Reconstruction of Different Kinds of Pore-fracture Network of Cool Reservoir and its Permeability Carlo method. Cool is composed of coulometric, pores, and fracture and fluid. The difference of the structural characteristic in cool led to the difference of microscopic characteristic of cool, such as the difference of the adsorption capacity and the conductivity of the cool reservoir. Monte Carlo method is mercury intrusion method. Low temperature liquid nitrogen adsorption and carbon dioxide adsorption can test the size and distribution of different pores in cool. However, these methods are relatively poor in characterizing the connectivity of the pore and fracture. Cool reservoir permeability is one of the characterizing parameters about the degree of fracture development in cool. In this abstract discussion, there are the 3 points. Different scales of pores and fracture in cool such as millimeter, micron, and nanometer can be observed. Statistics can be used with the help of a microscope. Combined with Monte Carlo method, different scales of pore and fracture network can be reconstructed. 2. Based on the pores and fracture network model, the disconnected pores and fracture were eliminated by the zero method and the MATLAB software. The seepage models of millimeter, microns, and seepage pore fracture were obtained. The permeability of millimeter fracture, microfractures, and seepage pore was calculated. 3. The contribution order of different scales of pore fracture to the cool reservoir permeability from large to small are millimeter fractures, microfractures, and seepage pore. The advantage of connected part about different scales pore fracture are millimeter fractures, seepage pore, and microfracture from high to low. The fluence of permeability by different parameters of pore fracture was examined. The fracture density and weight in the millimeter fracture and seepage pores have large influence on permeability than fracture length. The density and length to microfracture have large influence on permeability than fracture weight. That is all that I can say. Sorry if there is a word may be useful. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.